Dr. Lew, have you met any Qigong master because I know that you travel a lot and you've been all over the world, and you've met a lot of people and your network is amazing. Dr. Lew, have you met, who is the, who is the master Qigong that you have met, and what is the amazing thing that master Qigong Sifu can actually demonstrate through Qigong?
As I say, the Qigong I learned, the master is Taiwan. First, I went to Taiwan regularly. I have to pay and to travel there, and also attend a lot of courses. It's a deep knowledge. It's not just a normal practice. You have to understand the principle. What is this? And very deep. Qigong is not, although it can be very simple to learn, but when you want to go into further deep understanding about the Qigong, not just in Chinese say you have to go 3 levels, at least 3 levels: Sen, Xin, Ling, physical, your mental, and your later on is Li. Li is like, of course,
Physical, mental, and emotional, is it? Li?
Not emotional. So the first one is the physical. You have to learn the stretching part, the exercise part. Then
okay.
later on, how to calm your mind.
Okay. So that's the mental part.
Then later on, will be
okay.
So this guy, in fact, he also learned from the 5,000 years of Chinese and the Indian kind of the meditation, the yoga, but through breathing. So these are the two, I would say, Qigong derived from these two Asian, Eastern Western. Amazing, way back thousands of years.
Interesting. I often read, that like what you say just now, Qigong is affecting 3 parts of us: the physical, the mental, and also the spiritual part, right?
Yeah, something like that.
Like a spiritual part as well, isn't it? Yes. And tell us a little bit about Qi. What is all this Qi about? Qi, like the Qi in Qigong.
Qi basically is energy. Qi is basically energy. So if you have, let me quote very simple. I think as I said, the first time when I get Qigong, I'm very skeptical. So I thought must be an old man game or exercise, whatever. But when I learn, the more I learn, the more I understand about Qigong. It is very scientific. Why we practice in the open air, where there are a lot of trees preferred, and if there's water, even better. In the morning, the ancient Chinese believe every 2 hours there's a time zone.
Oh, really?
Right?
So there's a change of energy every 2 hours.
Yes, exactly. So every 2 hours there's a time zone. There's different energy. Some is very yang qi, some is very yin qi. So it's the yin and the yang.
So the yang qi is very masculine and the yin qi is more feminine.
More feminine. So why we practice at the time 5:30 in the morning? That is the time the sun rises, the beginning of the sunrise. And when the sun starts to rise, all the greeneries secrete the purest of oxygen.
Right.
That is the time we inhale the purest of the oxygen through photosynthesis. If you understand the sign, sun rises, greenery secrete photosynthesis.
Yes.
Right? So what they need humans carbon dioxide. So in exchange, so this is why we practice so early in the morning in the open. This is the different time. At the same time, we do a lot of other exercise, breathing. So okay, every morning you exhale the carbon dioxide, which means you detox yourself. In exchange, the nature, the fresh oxygen, the pure, we call the 出氧气, the purest of the oxygen from the photosynthesis. That moment, the 2 hours of night zone is the best practice time, 5:30 to 7:30. After 7:30, it becomes the morning before the turns, which means the morning zone.
Okay, so 5:30 to 7:30, when the plants is changing, back into photosynthesis, waiting for the sunrise, that is the best time, because for human, as we breathe in that transitional air, then we are actually able to detox our body, right?
Correct.
Interesting. Yes.
Isn't it very, very scientific as well, isn't it? And that
Yes.
is the time 5:30 is the purest of the air. Even in Malaysia, so hot weather, at that time in the morning, even without rain, you will have the dew. The water vapor.
Yes.
They clean all the leaves, they clean everything, and that is the time that everything is subside. No more dust, no more. After 7:30, the sun very strong. So all the mud, all the dust will appear to again. 2 hours
Right.
later on, even worse. So you suck in different kind of.
Okay.
the time
Interesting.
is important.
So different type of energy, you're bringing into your body different type of energy. Yeah, that is so interesting.